Hey guys, give me 5 minutes, and in this video, I'm going to give you 4 really powerful mindset tips for success in business. I've learned these strategies from great business coaches like John Assaraf and Dan Kennedy. And what I've also learned is that more than marketing skills or lack of knowledge, these are the real reasons why entrepreneurs often struggle when we're starting an online business. And just as a thank you for watching this video, I'll add a link below to a one-page mind map of my 7x7 goals system, which gives you a great checklist of all the strategies needed to ensure you successfully achieve your goals for your online business. Now, for those of you guys who don't know me, I'm Tony. I'm the owner of onlineresultscoach.com, and I teach middle-aged and seniors like me how to build successful online businesses that will fund their retirement. No fluff or BS in my videos, just straightforward marketing and mindset strategies like the ones I'm about to talk about that you can implement after watching every single one of my videos. I've paid thousands of dollars and pounds to learn these strategies from some of the top marketing and business coaches on the planet. But you can have them for free just by watching my videos. Okay, so let's dive into these mindset tips for success. Now, my first mindset tip for success is in your online business is to get in alignment with your core purpose. And what I mean by that is you must understand your whys and connect it deeply with the motivation and the drive that this will give you. Understanding your whys, writing them down, having them front of mind is key and will help you keep going when things get tough. If you're not familiar with these exercises, here's some examples of what I mean. So say your goal, your why is financial freedom, right? You want to be able to finance your life without having to rely on other people or working for other people or to trade your time for money. Or let's say more specifically, for a lot of my audience, you want to be able to fund your retirement and your life and have a good lifestyle without having to have a big drop in your living standards. See, having that clarity of purpose provides the motivation and the drive needed to overcome obstacles and persevere during those challenging times. So, if you've never done this exercise or you haven't done it for a while, I really urge you to spend an hour, and that's all it takes. Write down your whys and make it your personal mission statement that will lie behind your business goals. My second mindset tip for success in your online business is to embrace a whatever it takes mindset. Now, I know that sounds cheesy and maybe a little bit of a cliche, but I can't think of a better way of saying it. You have to see challenges as opportunities for growth and believe in yourself and believe in your ability to learn and improve over time. Because once you develop the mindset of whatever it takes, you'll embrace the process of continuous learning and you'll view any failures or any setbacks as real valuable lessons along the way. And my third mindset tip for success in your online business, and I learned this from Dan Kennedy, is to become obsessed with your online business. Now, I know that sounds a bit strange, but and despite what you may have been led to believe by so many gurus and experts, succeeding as an entrepreneur requires total unwavering commitment and focus. It's not easy. You have to develop the habits and the attitudes and the behaviors that will enable you to bring massive focus to your business. And that can often mean that you have to change, might even mean you have to cut down the time you spend with people who are not supportive of your online business. You might have to change your environment or change the books you read or the TV programs you watch or anything else that might be a negative influence, essentially. You need to surround yourself with positive influences. A great quote from Earl Nightingale that I love is, "We become what we think about most." So if you're going to build a successful online business, right, then that's what you must think and obsess about the most. Now, my fourth mindset tip for success in your online business is to be open to coaching and mentorship. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can support and inspire you on your business journey. Engage with mentors and coaches who can provide the guidance and accountability, and they'll help you overcome hurdles along the way. And as I've said in other videos, I spent over 2.5 years attempting to build an online business without making a great deal of money. And it was only when I decided to stop trying to do it all on my own, and I started working with a coach. That's when I started to make real progress. You know, I found someone who had already figured out the online world and built a successful online business. And in the process, they transformed their own lives and then the lives of their students. And as I've said before, once I had a coach guiding me, I started to progress with a momentum, real momentum, and I achieved better results in a few months than I had in the whole of the previous 2 and a bit years. Now, the point is, we can all do with help from time to time, right? And especially when we're taking on a challenge like growing an online business. Over the last few years, I've been fortunate enough to learn from some incredible business and marketing coaches. And to help you, if it does, I've put together a very simple one-page introduction to 5 or 6 of the best coaches that I've worked with. So DM me if you're interested in that, or depending on where you watch this video, there may be a link to grab it. So there's the 4 mindset tips for today, guys. Let's wrap up there. Yeah, and I hope it's been helpful. Don't forget to grab the free goals mind map that I mentioned, and the coach's guide that I mentioned also. There's no sign up needed for those. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope it's been helpful. Please subscribe if you find my videos helpful, and hopefully I'll connect with you in my next video.